Hey travelers, we're off to show you one of our favorite places to visit. It's the charming seaside town of Capitola, California. Today's trip is a special one. In January 2023, this beautiful coastal community was devastated by flooding. We want to show our support and show you how Capitola remains resilient and vibrant. So sit back, relax, and thanks for traveling with us.
We are almost in Capitola, California. We're going to bring you the aftermath of the recent storms and floods and see how downtown's doing and how the beach looks. See what the day brings. Baby?
Yeah. Hi, travelers.
We are here in the town of Capitola. And if you weren't too familiar with what's been going on here in Capitola recently, we had some big storms here in Northern California, and a lot of the storefronts here got damaged. As you can see, they're doing some repairs. All of these restaurants sustained major water damage. We're going to show you the beach here in a second, and we'll show you the wharf that got wiped out. Here is the damage that's washed up on the beach. See the pier in the distance got damaged. Take a look here at the beach and you can see the aftermath of the storms that took place here. And look at all this lumber that is washed up and is still here. They're doing their best to repair the town and get these businesses back open. But as you can see here, there's a lot of cleanup left to do. But this is a resilient town and resilient people, and they're going to get this back in business in the summertime, I bet. So as you see, the beach behind me is completely destroyed and wrecked. You got all this lumber and damage from the storm. But you look here, and you got a beach full of surfers waiting for the next beautiful wave to ride in. Take a look at this that washed up. Look at the size of this tree that somehow managed to wash its way up on shore. It's unbelievable when you see that big trees have been washed up. Look at this. Look at the roots in that thing, and look at this tree over here, you guys. See this root structure? This comes up to, I think it comes up to my shoulders, you guys. I'm 6'2". Just to give you a little perspective on how big this thing really is. And those of you that are familiar with Zelda's, a legendary restaurant here in the Capitola oceanfront, take a look at the damage, and you can see it's all boarded up, and they're doing what they can to get back in business. But this was a rough storm, and if you see across here, the painted houses, a very famous tourist destination here in Capitola, they sustained major damage as well and are now boarded up. This was a rough storm, you guys, but as you can also see is that they're doing a ton of work to get back in business as soon as possible, and that will bring the economy back. And here you see the businesses from the backside here. This is a sushi restaurant. The water had to come. The San Lorenzo River came all the way over the river and then caused all this damage right here. Take a look, you guys. Imagine the force having to come and batter this. I mean, again, I'm 6'2", and look at how high the waves came. And it gives you a whole new respect for Mother Nature when you can just see the damage one storm can cause.
The early January 2023 storms, known as atmospheric rivers, battered the Capitola shoreline. 25-foot waves took down the wharf and caused over $2 million in damage to the local businesses in the village. After seeing the damage to the beach and to the village, we made our way across the San Lorenzo River to see the damage sustained from the other side.
So you're probably wondering where we are. We're at the Venetian in Capitola, which is a place where they had these beautiful painted houses that unfortunately sustained some significant damage during the storm, and here they are fixing them up right now. The water must have been so high. Look at this one's boarded up. These guys sustained the most damage, all boarded up here. Pretty impressive as to what Mother Nature can do. Take a look here. Imagine the force that had to be bestowed upon this pier to cause this amount of damage. That was a powerful storm. Obviously the wharf is closed and we can't get up there, but we can get you close. Just look at that. This is what the front of the wharf looks like right now. If you were trying to come to the Capitola Wharf, this is what you would encounter. It is unbelievable, the amount of damage and destruction. No getting onto the wharf today.
Travelers, if you didn't know, Capitola was founded in 1875. This small town is steeped in history and boasts a rich cultural heritage. With a population of just over 10,000, Capitola is a perfect destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the big city. Capitola is best known for its beautiful beaches and picturesque boardwalk. And although Capitola Beach is under repair, there is still so much to do in this popular spot. The village, which is steps away from the beach, is a great place to take a leisurely stroll, enjoy the views, or dine in a local restaurant.
As you can see, Capitola is bustling. We got some people, families coming out to the beach, surfers riding waves, and all the shops are open. Restaurants that can't be open are open. So come on out to Capitola. What do you say, baby?
Yes, it is thriving.
So we are going to have breakfast here at the Capitola Bar and Grill, supporting local merchants. And you can see what's on the menu here. Take a look. All right, so let's go inside, have a little breakfast. All right, guys, so we're here at Capitola Bar and Grill. My love. Breakfast has arrived. What'd you get, baby?
It is a lobster Benedict.
Lobster Benedict. And I got California breakfast burrito, scrambled eggs, bacon, avocado, and cheese. Vanessa is going to give us a review of her lobster Benedict. How is it?
Heavenly. One of the best Benedicts I've had. The hollandaise sauce is fresh. There is a ton of lobster, as you can see, nice big chunks. The potatoes are perfectly cooked. And the great thing, watch this, guys, is they actually do such a nice job of a poached egg. Sometimes people overcook it. Here, perfection. So, great job.
So we just finished breakfast, baby. Tell them, how was it?
Divino, oh my gosh.
Divino, that's how her breakfast was. So we are continuing our walk around here at Capitola.
I think we need to go to the polar bear ice cream.
Polar bear ice cream, are you serious? All right, guys, I guess we're getting ice cream. Let's take a look.
How you doing?
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You ready to try some flavors?
So we just left Polar Bear Ice Cream. A nice little local ice cream shop here in Capitola.
I got butter pecan. It's absolutely delicious. My love.
Salty bear is wonderful.
Oh shit, stop.
Travelers, as you can see, Capitola is a small town with a big heart. Come show your support and take a trip to this beautiful coastal gem. I promise you, you won't regret it. And if you decide to travel with TV Travels to Capitola, comment below and let us know how you liked it. Speaking of comment, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon for our next TV Travels adventure.